How to play VR chat on mobile. Now in this video, I'll show you the most generic steps for you to be able to play VR chat using your mobile device. The very first thing that you want to do is to open up your Google Play Store or any app store that you can use on your mobile phone. And then the application that you need to download is going to be the GeForce Now. So make sure that you fully download and install GeForce Now Cloud Gaming into your mobile device. And then once you've successfully downloaded it, open up the application and log in into your GeForce Now account. Now, before doing this, you've got to make sure as well that you've added VR chat into your Steam account library for you to be able to play the game using your mobile phone. And from here, just tap on the magnifying glass, type in VR chat, and choose on the result right here. So for you to be able to play this, again, you just need to connect this first into your Steam account so that you can launch a VR chat using your mobile device. And that's it. That's how you play VR chat on mobile.